This right here is gonna take me out. Bath.
Dear Bruce, I need to be honest and clear. I'm going to marry Harvey Dent. I love him, and I want to spend the rest of my life with him. When I told you that if Gotham no longer needed Batman, we could be together, I meant it. But now I'm sure the day won't come when you no longer need Batman. I hope it does.
Don't forget this, that
And if it does,
daily
I'll be
actions
there.
and long-term thinking is our theme for this rest of the year. Morning, day, traders. It's a new day and it's actually Tuesday. Time check. As you guys can see, it is 10 minutes past 6. Yeah, this is the same phone I'm using for my light since my light is quite off. But yeah, it's a new week and yeah, I've uploaded the other vlog. And yes, just a continuation from the other vlog to today. It is still the same account that I'm trading, the same 10k account. Though I've not yet started trading it for this week, since yesterday I had no trades. Yeah, now going on to my dashboard. This is my dashboard for general link, and you can see that. Let me put this right to go, and you can see that that's my win rate as per now. In 79 trades, I have a 43% win rate, 34 wins and 45 losses, which I should say is not bad. Yeah, it's actually great. Yeah, it's actually great. But nevertheless, the vlog has started. Ensure that you subscribe, and if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Donovan. I've been trading for the past 1 year now and 7 months. The fact that we're in August, 7 months, and yeah, on my journey to becoming profitable. I'm at this stage whereby I do have this theme, which is daily actions and long-term thinking, whereby I shouldn't put pressure on myself, but I know what I do repeatedly every day accounts to what I'll become in the long term. So yeah, that is it. So yeah, I haven't yet. I may not trade today. Technically, I may not trade. Definitely because of the fact that I have some work to do. I actually want to trade today. Definitely, I have some stuff I have to handle at the post office. Yeah, so definitely I'm gonna be out of the market, and I'm just from school. So we wait and see, and just have a hold up on what I have to do. I'm not trading. Yeah, but nevertheless, let's just keep it going. Yeah, I'm just sitting, as you guys can see. So yeah, let's just wait. Maybe work done, then I'll just have to go back home. Just go back home, and yeah, just know today I've actually taken no trades. I was anticipating to take a trade on Nasdaq, which was a bullish entry, but nevertheless, I weighed the situations. My phone's battery was off. As for time check, it is 6:32. Yeah, and you guys can see it, 6:32. Yeah, the 4th of August. What's up, guys? Good evening to you guys. Time check. As you guys can see, it is 4:57, and we do have news events coming up, like 5 p.m. At 5 p.m. we actually have a news, which is ISM services. And yeah, Nasdaq has been bullish, so I'm looking out for the price to tap into this order block or this fair value gap, then it continues to the upside. That's what I'll be looking for. But nevertheless, if I'm still waiting for 5 p.m. Like once this kind of gets engulfed, yeah, but that's the time right there. That's how the markets are looking. I've changed the 5-minute time frame, and yeah, let's wait and see. You never know, perhaps I may get a re-entry, or in case I don't get a re-entry, just know I'll just not trade for the day. Mind you, the whole week, today is Wednesday, I have not yet traded any pair, like nothing at all. So yeah, let me wait and see. Yeah, if we get bullish momentum, Well and good. See you guys. So an update on how the trades are looking. I have had two trades. This particular trade was the first trade I took on Nasdaq. This is on 1 minute. It's the only way you guys can see it well. And yeah, this second trade is also heading to get stopped out, as you guys can see. But this particular trade took an entry here. I actually got out by my own self. This right here is gonna take me out, as you guys can see. Bus. Now I'm out of the trades. Those are two trades, and the reason I think I'm gonna be it's why I've been stopped out is because I have taken trades off the order block. But I think I'll if by guess not, if there's an entry with a fair value gap, then yeah, that is it. But as per now, my first trade of the week being losses, yeah, I'm down, I think, so far minus 0.8% on the day. But nevertheless, wait and see. But I'm not looking out for a re-entry, by the way. I may just chill out for the day since I've taken two trades already. So let me look forward to see that I'm either out or I'll still be in, like looking out for more opportunities to long. Yeah, that's it. I've just executed another entry and I just got it out. Like I had to close it. I had to close the position. It was not an S and stop loss. I see because of this week, like this whole week. So right now, this particular point is an external range liquidity. This particular line here, this is an external range liquidity. Therefore, I can't anticipate to take longs anywhere. So I'm not going in for shorts. I'm just gonna leave and I'll be done for the day. I'm not adding any trades. So the day is ending with minus 1%, I believe, minus 1%, which is okay. But yeah, that is it. As I told you guys, you can actually see the price, see how everything is looking. And yeah, wasn't bearish on the day. So yeah, I could see that it's kind of bearish since it quite makes sense that when we do go in the 1 hour time frame, we do realize that we had just swept out this external range liquidity right there. And yeah, and we had a 1 hour fair value gap, and you guys can see it. So that actually that kind of like attracts price. So yeah, I think we are looking out for the OTE. That so if I was in for souls, yeah, which as you guys can see, it's an OTE already right here. Yeah, that is it. So missed out on the sales, but more importantly, yeah, I missed out on the sales, but again decided to go on for longs, which was on the wrong side, and losses are there. Losses are part of the game. So basically the loss was actually not it was actually not completing my full checklist by that, because if I'm to show you guys, my checklist says that if I do take a trade, I should look out for a 5 minute displacement. So me, I based off a key level, though I didn't have the 5 minute displacement, whereby I was bound to get a loss. So yeah, that is it. As you guys can see, yeah, because that's on the 5 minutes, you can see right here, this is where I executed. Yeah, and this is what my checklist says: price at key level, price as my order block, as you guys can see. Then direction was bullish, key level was, as you guys can see, was order block, which is here. Price at key level, yes, but the M5 displacement was not there, so ended up getting a loss. So yeah, that is it. Done for the day. Yeah, and that is it. Is it back home, actually doing some journaling here, as you guys can see. Yeah, doing some journaling. Then time check, as you can see, it is 8:44. Yeah, got back home like around, let me say, 10 minutes back, because like I want to speed, like not to speed, but I had to like definitely write my whole day, so I had to, like bit by bit, the moment I come back home, since I may forget like what I wanted to write most especially. But yeah, I was writing, then I do realized there's something like the reason today I got a loss. It was like I didn't follow my plan as I told you guys before, but also there was a pattern recognition I noticed. You guys realize that for the past whole week I was going from the other week's vlog, and it is from the point that I used to analyze in the morning. Like, not I used to, even yesterday when I didn't take any trades, I still analyzed on Monday. Like, I've been analyzing each and every day on the charts. You know, where I wake up, do my morning routine, then I go in the charts and I'll be like, today, this, and this is what I'm looking out for. In case by the time I hop onto the markets after school, if price has tapped into my key levels that I had mapped out, well and good. Okay, you try to get the whole scope. But for this particular day, which is today, guess what? I actually mess up. I do not, despite the fact that I had a morning workout, actually leg workout, I did not analyze, and kinda I forgot. No magical, I just forgot. Yeah, so basically that is it. I ended up, perhaps I didn't say this, but I ended up actually analyzing during New York session when the market has already opened. So yeah, that I think was one also major factor that like led me to have a loss today. Yeah. Wagwan, my guys. So what's up, guys? It is currently you guys I see 5:45:19, and I'm currently in a trade. It's a buy trade right now. As you guys can see it. That's on the 5 minute time frame, and that is Nasdaq right there. So this is the trade. I'm actually looking for a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, as you guys can see. Let's wait and see. Though I do anticipate price going until like this OTE here, because we are going to approach a higher time frame fair value gap. So this is going to be my break-even point. Like, once price taps this gap, I'm gonna like put my stop loss to break even basically. Or once this high is taken out, as you guys can see, that is the break even high. So yeah, that's the first trade of the day. That's how the trades are looking. The trade is looking. Yeah, and we'll wait and see. It is Thursday, by the way. So once price happens to do what it does, then I'll let you guys know. But just know I'm gonna be price waiting. And for those who don't know price waiting, it means by like you trail your stop loss until one candle, like you keep trailing your stop loss. Yeah, once one candle opens up, you keep like on the 1 minute time frame usually. So yeah, that's how everything is looking. As you guys can see it, yeah, that's how everything is looking. So we wait and see how we're going to. By the way, there's something I forgot to tell you guys. Actually, today there is natural gas storage. The news, as you guys can see, Thursday, 6th of August, and there is this news that is coming in around 4 minutes, and you guys literally know. I told you even guys from last vlog, when there are this news of natural gas storage, it is actually prices on my side. Price is not that okay. So guess what? I think I'm right. As you guys can see, price is actually approaching my entry point. Yeah, I'm looking to place my like stop loss below this fair value gap here. Below this fair value gap. This is still on the 5 minute time frame, by the way. Yeah, price is still dumping to the downside. But I'm still holding this trade. So yeah, that is it. Again, once I do get stopped out, it is still okay. We do have news in 30 minutes. I wouldn't want to tamper the trade yet. Not in 30 minutes, but in actually 3 minutes. There's something wrong with me. I'm such a very unserious trader, trust me, because as you guys can see, remember you guys when I told you that this is on the 1 minute time frame. Remember you guys, let me go to the 5 minute. Remember you guys when I told you that I'll literally be putting my stop loss below the 5 minute fair value gap, and it's what I did. And actually price stopped me out for around I think $20. Then I had the re-entry, but it was like a mistake re-entry. Then I had to close it out. But I've had another re-entry right here after this fair value gap is showing to be respected. So yeah, I'm now like in, okay, there are like three trades, but one trade is this one. Another trade was taken around here, a mistake trade. Then another one, the third trade is this one right here, which I'm currently in. So as you guys can see it, if only I had only left my stop loss, like because my stop loss I believe was below this low right there. So I just don't know what I would have done. But anyways, I think I had something on my mind, but let's wait and see how this trade goes. What's up, guys? So it is a Friday and time check. As you guys can see, it is 6:42, and yeah, didn't take any trades today. Actually, mainly because yesterday I took four trades and I didn't journal them. I couldn't take more trades since I had not journaled those for the previous day. Yeah, that is mainly it. Let me get home, then I'll update you guys, I believe. Time check is 9:29, and yeah, this is the phone I'm using for my light. Got home around, I think, some few minutes ago, I believe so, but not minutes, but I can say an hour and a half, though I've not been recording. And I don't want to, like, I'm first going to eat my food supper, then I think I'll record the other part. But before, there's this Bible verse that actually I came across as I was scrolling on TikTok, and it says, it is in Exodus chapter 14 verse 14, and it says, the Lord will fight for you, and there is no need for you to do anything. And it simply comes from the fact that when the Egyptians were going to, like, okay, the Israelites, I think, yeah, the Israelites were going to cross the Red Sea, and they had disbelief. But before that, Moses told them that do not be afraid. Like he literally says that he's like, do not be afraid. Stand your ground, and you will see what the Lord will do to save you today. Then after it says, you will never see these Egyptians again. They now come to the point where I started off, and it says that the Lord will fight for you, and there is no need for you to do anything. So yeah, reflecting on that into my day trading, because right now I have no like profound challenge. Like I can't say the buy now pay later I'm trading with the 10K challenge. You guys literally know that even though I was offered that account, even I'm to get the money to pay for it, I'm not going to pay for it. Simply because I know once I do get funds, I would prefer to restart a challenge other than going for this pay later challenge. Because it's actually, when you get funded, it has some like tricky rules, so I wouldn't want to prefer it. But in amidst all that, like amidst everything that I'm waiting for, this verse literally helps me, and is like, it says that like the Lord will fight for me. I know times are going to come, like you never know, the near future or perhaps after some time, and I'll be able to access some funds, then I do buy perform. So I shouldn't even like look at this in some way, but mainly it's because I do reach at times and I'll be like, I'm day trading, but I'm not seeing myself anywhere. Like I see myself with somewhere, but once you're doing like the work day in, day out, like you're not seeing any progress. Like, but since like you do have God, you have to detach from all that and just come over to Him, which I'm also trying to like anticipate on day in, day out. I'm also trying to do that because I've not figured out in everything, and I've not yet figured that all out. But I do believe with this Holy Spirit. But yeah, that is something that I wanted to just say out. As before, I'm going to eat my food, which is here. So yeah, I think I'll get you guys after I finish eating, and see you. Now, traders, what's up? I'm just here chilling, and it's midday. Like it is 25 minutes past midday. And bro, I tell you, I'm so lazy. Like, I'm not saying that I'm so lazy to a point that I'm so lazy, but bro, like I think this is one of the parts like people don't show you about it. Right now, I'm supposed to record a portion of the video whereby I show you how my week ended, but there is a way I'm lazy to do that. Like I've spent the past, because I usually put a time on my phone, so I spent the last 50 minutes scrolling on TikTok just to get inspiration and also just to like brainwash since it's a Saturday. But bro, just know, I just don't know how like things are taking up. But anyways, um, I think I've been recording this video. I'm going to watch one YouTube video that I always wanted to watch. Then, yeah, I believe I may get back to work. But trust me, it's already in the middle of the day. I haven't yet done anything productive. Yeah, and I okay. I believe that I've been hard on myself in a way that I should be doing this, but yeah. Anyways, see you guys. I think when I like, because I still have to clean. Like I still have to clean. So hopefully I get done when I am supposed to. Now I've tried to screen record, but it seems my laptop is having a problem. When I put on like the screen recording, it like jumps. It jumps. Yeah. But let me just show you guys now. Now, as you guys can see, that is my dashboard right there. And coming here to the all accounts, I want to go to the active accounts and show you that as for the account, I only have this account that is active. I only have one, and it's the same account that I'm still trading. Yeah. So this is the account. This is the overview. If you guys can see very well that, yeah, that's the profit target. That's what's left. Yeah, that's what's left. And yeah, just to go to just to the calendar basically, and we can literally see that this whole week I've only had, as you guys can see, 3 trades, 7 trades, definitely, and only 2 losing days. Yeah, and the week has ended like that. Basically, that's how the week has ended. That is the drawdown I'm in, but it's not that much of a drawdown because best week was last week from last week's vlog. The winning streak I have 4 days, losing streak is 2 days. Yeah, that is it. So mainly this is how all those trades were looking like. As you guys can see it, that's how the trades were looking like. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me zoom this a little. That's how the trades are looking like on Thursday. Then as for Wednesday, the 3 trades I took, that's how everything is looking like. So yeah, that is how the account is. Just to go to the account overview, yeah, this is it. 5 trading days. That is everything you guys need to know. Yeah, so my remaining is only like around 1% to pass the account, but definitely that is it. That is how everything is looking. Yeah, this is on God Funded Trader, and yeah, remember this is on my buy now pay later challenge, this right here. So now to transition to the part whereby I show you my like journal as well, because I want to be clearly transparent with you guys. So let me go to my journal. So this is my journal right here. So we go to the trade log. Basically, this based on last week. Let me show you guys. Based on this new week, these are the trades I took on Thursday and on Wednesday this week, as you guys can see. And coming here to the daily journal. Actually, on Wednesday, remember, you guys, if you can realize this is what led me. These are the only 2 trades I took, and it's what I journaled. These were 4 trades, or these were 3. I didn't edit this. It has to be 3 trades, not 1 trade. And yeah, that is how everything should look like. So coming to the dashboard, as you guys can see, you can literally see that my win rate is 41.9. Mind you, this win rate is across like ever since the day I started journaling. Like ever since the day I started journaling, taking trading seriously, it was on the 26th of March, 27th of March. Yeah, of May, not of March, of May. So yeah, that is it. So based on all that, I've been making sure I like journal all my data, but this has to be updated as well. It has to be 86 trades, not 82, because when you add this, you get 86. Like, yeah. I have to edit that manually because yeah, I don't. This is not an automatic thing. Though the win rate is generated automatically, as well as this other sides of it. So that is how my journal looks like. My mindset analytics, average mood, average confidence, sleep hours. By the way, then yeah, everything that I have to like be keeping up to date. Now, basically, that is it. So going back to this side, that's how the account is looking, and yeah, now that's my overview for the week. That is my overview for the week. And finally, the part whereby I was procrastinating to record has actually happened. Now, yeah, time check if I can show you guys. It is currently 1:38. Yeah, it is currently 1:38, and that is it. I guess I'll be ending this vlog here. Now, yeah, just ended up minus 1%. I think 1.1% of the whole week. Then next week is when I'm having my finals as well. So we shall see. But don't forget this, that daily actions and long-term thinking is our theme for this rest of the year. So thank you for watching. Ensure that you subscribe, like this video as well. The goal is 50,000 subscribe, not 50,000, but definitely 50 subscribers. So see you guys in next week's vlog, and yeah.